Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Toyota Hilux, stock reference number 5819. This shape ran from the 2nd of 2005 to the 8th of 2015. It has a 1GR FE 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 1GR-FE 6-cylinder petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, 2 dents. Left rear door. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim, right front master switch, center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy leather 4-spoke steering wheel with audio, phone and cruise buttons.